Channel 3 early warning weather.
So we give you the early warning here on the potential for some heavy rain on Friday. We'll start by timing this out. Beginning Thursday afternoon, we watch clouds stream in, and we may actually wake up to overcast conditions as early as Thursday morning. Futurecast here showing showers developing into the afternoon on Thursday, with steadier rain starting later Thursday evening and into Friday morning. Compared to yesterday, this is running about 6 hours sooner than what we were chatting about yesterday. We'll see this storm develop. The heaviest rain is expected overnight Thursday into Friday morning, likely impacting the Friday morning commute. And look at how there's snow on the backside of this storm system. That will not impact us here in the Connecticut, though, because what happens is we watch a dry slot develop, and that dry slot will actually take the moisture away from us. So there will be snow across West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York, and northern New England, while we end up actually briefly drying things out in the evening on Friday. And then as this storm system moves away and wraps up, a second area of low pressure develops along the front. And this is what we need to watch, because a small shift in this could actually bring more showers throughout the weekend, or it could shift a little farther away from us, locking us in for a sunny and dry weekend. It's worth noting that all of our major models at this point in time are showing that earlier start time to the precip on Thursday, likely developing with rain showers earlier in the day, closer to lunchtime as opposed to after dinner. So we'll be watching that closely. Our alert for Friday is focused, though, on the impacts to commuting. Poor visibility on the roads. Ponding, certainly possible. It gets a bit breezy at times. Wind gusts 20 to 30 miles an hour. Scott was talking about it this morning about how this all could wrap up as snow, and that is still possible. The WFSB weather app is free. It's a great resource leading up to events like this. And, of course, during the event, you can track the showers right from the palm of your hand. Winds right now a bit breezy at times, coming out of the northwest between about 5 to 15 miles an hour. Temperatures to our north and west certainly chillier. 22 in Burlington, Vermont versus 41 in Hartford and Boston right now. We're at 41 in West Haven, 32 in Kent, 39 in Berlin, 37 in Willington. Satellite and radar over the past 6 hours have shown these stubborn clouds lingering, and we will likely keep those around for the remainder of the day. Mostly cloudy skies on our iCam here in Hartford. 41 degrees with wind out of the northwest at 12 miles an hour. Mostly cloudy in New London right now, too. 42 degrees in New London. And compared to where we normally would be for this time of year, we are still running impressively mild, almost a 10-degree departure from normal. 8th warmest start to January on record, and these are the updated numbers from yesterday's climate report. Yesterday, actually, is when we hit the bottom of our annual temperature curve. Coldest average high temperature, 35 degrees, runs January 9th to the 30th, and then we see average high temperatures gradually climb back to 50 degrees by March 23rd, 60 degrees by April 14th. So our focus here is going to be on that alert on Friday. Likely some impacts to the morning commute. Temperatures, though, quite mild, back up into the 50s, and we'll watch temperatures climb even ahead of this storm on Thursday. Things wrap up Saturday, still trending drier for the holiday weekend. MLK Jr. Day on Monday, back into the 40s, Carol, with lots of sun.